Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming whether your office is subscription-based or a standalone product. Sign in at Account. Microsoft. Com with the email tied to Office. Look under Services and Subscriptions to see Microsoft 365 listings. A subscription shows activations and does not provide a static 25-character product key. A standalone purchase or boxed copy will require a product key and may be redeemable on the account. Knowing this distinction directs you to the correct retrieval method for Windows 11 systems. If you purchased Office online, sign in to the Microsoft account you used to buy it. Open Services and Subscriptions to view purchase history and redemption details. Check your email inbox and spam for order confirmations that include the 25-character product key or a link to redeem it. If you bought a boxed copy or card, inspect the physical packaging and receipt for a printed key. For gifts or transfers, ask the seller for the original purchase email or key documentation to avoid license issues. On a Windows 11 PC with Office installed, first confirm the exact Office version in Settings and Apps. Open PowerShell as administrator and run a proven script that reads the Registry Digital Product ID and decodes it to a 25-character key. Carefully copy the decoded key and verify it matches the license label or account details. If Office came from Microsoft 365, there will be no static key to extract. Use the Microsoft account to manage activations instead. Always back up your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.